What's up, Bixbyans? Today, I'll be demonstrating how Bixby can help make your Halloween even spookier. Now, I will be using the wake word to wake Bixby up, but I'll be editing that wake word out of the video so I don't keep waking up your Bixby. A video on how to talk to Bixby will be in a card in the top right, as well as in the description below. Without further ado, let's get spooked. How many days until Halloween?
There's 5 days to go between today and Halloween, which is on October 31st, 2020.
What should I be for Halloween?
Dress up as a puppy wearing pajamas. Your dog tired. Carry around a big blue door and walk through it. You'd be out of the blue.
Tell me a Halloween joke.
What's a skeleton's favorite fruit? Spine apple. What prize did the scariest ghost win? A gold medal.
Trick or treat?
Trick. Mouth agape in horror.
Tell me a scary story.
Listener beware as she turned to the first page.
Ask ghost stories to start a game.
You open up the code closet, but it is empty. Your options include Option 1, turn back to the main room, 2, feel around the walls, or 3, check the floor. You feel around the walls, but you don't notice anything out of the ordinary. You turn away from the closet. You are in the foyer of the manor. There is a front door, a path leading to the dining hall, a path into the living room, and a coat closet. Your options include Option 1, investigate the front door, 2, head into the dining hall, 3, head into the living room, or 4, investigate the coat closet.
Ask WikiHow how to light a pumpkin.
Here's how to light a pumpkin for Halloween.
Ask WikiHow how to carve names in a pumpkin.
Here's how to carve names in a pumpkin.
Ask pumpkin tips. How do I carve a pumpkin?
Here are some steps I can help walk you through. You must begin by selecting a good pumpkin, use the proper tools, prepare your pumpkin, copy your pattern, carve out the pattern, light it, and preserve it. You may ask me about any of these steps for more details on each.
Find Halloween themes for my phone. And here you can see that my phone's current theme is this free one right here. Search for Halloween wallpapers. Find Halloween icons. So hopefully you've learned how Bixby can help make your Halloween just a little spookier. And just to wrap things up, I'm done recording.
Got it. I've turned off Do Not Disturb.
Happy Halloween, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. That was a quick command. To learn how to do this, check out the video in the top left corner.